Hello, today we're going to be talking about how to install a free theme on your WordPress site. So this is what the site looks like right now. We're going to change the theme. The theme is just the look and feel of your website, the design. So we are going to visit, let me duplicate this tab. We are going to visit the admin section, that's the dashboard, the back end of the site, by typing in wp-admin after the web address. So press enter your credentials. This is the dashboard. So go to appearance and themes. So this is the theme that is currently active. Let's scroll up and click on admin. We search for Astra and click on install. Click on activate and then click on Astra options. Use the importer plugin and select a theme of your choice. Let's try this theme. Click on import complete site. Click on import. So the import has been completed. So let's take a look at what the site looks like. This is the post. This is the about me page. You can edit it and click on the home page. So this is what your site is. You can then go ahead to edit. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the like button and subscribe and click on the bell notification icon so that you can receive more videos like this. Thank you and have a great day.